Hello guys, welcome to Sense Starting. So today we'll see what happened in Bank Nifty and Nifty 50, starting with Bank Nifty. So we'll analyze from 5th December to 7th December. And coming to 5th December, 4th December, we saw a good moment upwards, and also new high was made on that particular day for 46,611. It was taken out. And the following day, the gap up we can see, and as in it opened in the pre-market session itself at 47,011, and also it is a round figure value. And from there, the market has started going upward, and considering this 47,200 level as a institutional resistance zone, and where we have seen a CE sellers adding their position. And multiple times, market tried to break this particular level, 47,200 level, and move upwards. But since there was a breakout and there should be a retesting, so this level is considered as a resistance level and rejected from that particular point. And we got a spinning top on 5th December, and this particular spinning top indicates that neither the buyers or sellers succeeded in moving the market in their direction. And coming to the 6th of December date, market opened exactly at 47,200 level, which is institutional resistance zone. And from that particular point, the market moved downward direction to give a closing at 46,800 level. This this particular down movement happened in the early morning session itself, and from that particular moment, the market remained sideways. 7th December, the market gave a gap down, and from there, you can see the market tested this particular previous gap which happened on 4th December and 5th December. Compared to that gap, it went on 7th December today. The market has covered that particular gap as soon as it reached that particular, filled that particular gap, and the market started bouncing back and went upwards. If at all market has to go, then they should consider this as the retesting point and move upwards. And if not, they should continue to test this particular previous resistance level if it is supporting or not. So coming to Nifty 50, Nifty 50 also, you can see around from 19,800, so that means around 20,000 to 21,000 points, at 1100 points move, you can see. And that too, we are seeing from past 4 days a hanging on candlestick. So with that, we can see on day by day basis that the movement in the market is getting reduced, and as soon as it reaches the 21,000 level, and also round figure value, the institutional sellers, they sellers, they started adding their positions, and they are keeping the market in that particular zone. I can see that there is a loss of momentum in this particular movement upwards, and I guess we can see a sideways movement of 2 days, retesting a little bit downwards to form a higher low, and then we can see a higher high movement again. So let's analyze them in a shorter time frame. So coming to Bank Nifty, it has opened gap up, and as soon as it opened gap up, market was trading in this particular first 5 minutes candle day, and here it has given a breakout of day high and tried to break this 47,200 level, but it did not succeed. So here you can see, if you consider this as a day high, we can see in this candle, there's a breakout, and also this candle, previous candle is supported with a good in hammer candle. So that hammer candle indicates that from here the PE sellers, they started adding positions and they moved the market upwards. And from that particular point, the market went to 47,200 level, and then it was trying to break this particular level twice, but it was not able to succeed. So once it was tried and it was formed a top, and then again, if you guys can see over here, the market again formed a double top. So this double top, when as soon as it broke, it went to cover this day low point, and as soon as it reached the day low point, it was not able to fill this particular gap because we can see from past few days, we can see a huge movement. Uh, on top, we're seeing right now on 5th December candle. So that particular candle did not give a breakout below this day first candle point, and it started moving upward direction. Coming to 6th December, it gave a gap up. As soon as it gave a gap up, it came to this particular yesterday's low point, and there it has. As soon as it reached that particular point, the market went sideways completely on the whole day. As you can see, multiple times it was trying to break this particular yesterday's support point. We can see this 46,800, 46,700 level is a crucial support, and that there was not able to break. So if I try to opens down the next day, the market will cover this particular gap. As soon as it reaches this particular 46,500 level, so as soon as it has filled that particular gap, the market reversed from this particular point and went upwards. So that is where we can see a retesting happened, and from this particular point, it took some B sellers added in, and they took support and they started moving the market upward direction. So that is what happened, and we can see if at all market opens above this particular retesting candle, we can see up move direction again in Bank Nifty. Coming to Nifty 50 in a shorter time frame. So here you can see the gap happen, and that too in the first 5 minutes candle itself, we can see the huge movement happened of 20,800 to 20,730, 100 rupees point it happened, and from that point, the market did not go in beyond this particular candle. So here you can see a perfect breakout towards upside trying to go upward direction, but the body is not give a closing above that. But from downwards, the wick was moved upwards, and the PE sellers they moved the market, but they were not able to succeed in moving the market towards upside direction. So that is why it stayed in the same zone. And the 6th December day, the market opened gap up, and it was trying to reach this yesterday's low. And from that particular point, as soon as the gap is filled, the market is trying to go up again and at opening point. And that is why that we can see every day we can from past 4 days we can see hanging man pattern is forming. That because every day it is trying to fill that particular gap and then going back to the same zone wherever it has opened. So it has filled the gap over here, and it started going up and formed a hanging man. Again, on 7th December it has opened. So as soon as it opened flat, the market again tested this gap and gave a closing at day opening point, forming a hanging man. So this is what happened in both the indices. So please like, share, and subscribe to Sense Charting to know about